Let's do some arithmetic operations within query. So this is actually pretty cool. The query method can do math inside. So let's say we want the start capacity to be greater than the end capacity plus, let's say, 20. So we want the start capacity to be at least 20 more than the end capacity. We're going to add 20 to the end capacity right here, and start capacity has to be greater than it. So let's go ahead and run this, and we should see that the start capacity should be at least 20 more. So if we go through a couple examples, we should be able to confirm that. All right, that's very cool. I'm going to show you another example that's, and this is, I'm going to read in a new data set here, how to find right triangles. And this is in the triangles CSV file. It's a very simple data set. And okay, so say we have three sides of a triangle, A, B, and C. We're going to assume these are right triangles. Sorry, we're going to filter for right triangles. So these are just sides of triangles. And we want to find which one of these is a right triangle. So each row represents a triangle, and then there are three sides. So hopefully you remember the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're going to filter for this, and you can understand math. So we'll do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're going to test equality right there. So we're going to do a whole bunch of math, and we're only going to filter for the ones where this condition is true. And then we execute that, and we can see our very famous 3, 4, 5 combination right there. And it looks like all of these are in fact right triangles. So, so the query method does understand all the normal arithmetic operations that work outside of the string.